T-Mobile routers dropping connections often result from Wi-Fi interference, especially overcrowded channels like 2.4 GHz channels 6 or 11, or band steering issues. A quick fix is to check your Wi-Fi channel. Use the T-Mobile app or a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to find less congested channels. If that doesn't work, try disabling band steering in your router settings via the T-Mobile app or web interface. This forces your devices to stick to either the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band manually. Most users can restore reliable connections by adjusting these two things without needing a full reset. If channel adjustments and disabling band steering don't solve the problem, a factory reset is a last resort. Remember, this will wipe all custom settings. Trends show that T-Mobile is moving towards AI-driven diagnostics in their app for remote troubleshooting. T-Mobile is testing hybrid 5G Wi-Fi 7 gateways for improved stability. Experts recommend proactive monitoring of your network using tools like the T-Mobile app's speed test to ensure you get a stable connection. Focus on channel selection and consider upgrading to newer routers when available to take advantage of smarter handoffs and reduced interference. T-Mobile is aiming for 99% uptime in home services and proactive app-controlled fixes, which shows a move toward more stability.